Changing language in Crunchyroll is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can change the language of Crunchyroll. So as you guys can see, I'm at their website and here you have to click on your profile, and in your profile, you have to click on my account. It will take you to your account settings and you have to click on this preferences under general section and you will see this page. Now here you will also be able to see option for languages. So the first one is display language. If I change this language, the language of all these settings will be changed. The second thing is email communication language. What it will do is if you change this language, the email they send you, the email you will receive from Crunchyroll will be received on the language that you select here. The last one is video languages. Of course, you can select it whatever you like. The videos you will play will be played in the preferred languages. And the last thing is subtitles or CC languages, which of course are the language for the subtitles that you get under your video. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can change your language in Crunchyroll. Hope you guys find this video helpful.